get lots of data and you need to, with a little magic, create your report, then you came to the right class. This is data analysis and business intelligence made easy with Excel Power Tools, also known as Excel Data Analysis Basics, EDAB. Now, why Excel? Excel is the most used data analysis program in the world. It contains straight Excel, pivot tables, the amazing and transformative Power Query, Big Data Power Pivot, and Power BI Desktop. My name is Mike Gervin, and I'll be your instructor. I teach at Highline College. I've been an Excel MVP since 2013 and the creator and mastermind behind Excelisfun YouTube channel with over 3,000 videos and 100 playlists. These are the 10 videos that will teach you how to convert that raw data into useful information. All right, we'll see you in the YouTube classroom.